Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video, I have the juice. I have the secrets. Yes, all will be revealed in my cube today. Two new phones coming from MetroPCS very soon. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alrighty, guys. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. Yes, and today's video is sponsored by Dingtone, which is going to be in the description down below. You get a free number to call and text. As long as you have internet connection, we'll have a commercial at the end of the video. But yeah, today we're here to talk about two. Wait, that's four. Two. Or two. Yeah, two. Two new phones coming to Metro by T-Mobile. All right, I got this info from a very, very sneaky Metro ninja. And actually they sent me to a website and whatnot, so this is all available on the interwebs. So don't blame me for what I'm getting, for the info that I see, but it's just a prediction, guys. I'm having a a moment, an epiphany. All right, so right now I want you guys to guess which two phones, in the live chat as well, because I know you guys are watching me live, because I'm gonna make this thing I am gonna make this thing into a live stream, or not a live stream, but a what's it called, what is it called, a premiere. I know that you're there. BBQ time. Mm-hmm. You're there with the pizza, aren't you? I hope you are, at least, because now I'm gonna look dumb if you're not. But anyways, so I want you guys to guess two phones coming. So, and we will talk about it just right now. I will not be able to show pictures because, obviously I don't want to show pictures and of stuff that is, that I'm having dreams about, because I'm having dreams about them. But anyways, let me talk about the two phones right here. Let me talk about the first phone that I already kind of mentioned before. So I already kind of mentioned this one before, and it's the Moto G 5G, but now I have some more info on it. So here's the Moto G 5G, right? Like I told you guys before, it's not going to be the same as the website before. All right, it's not going to be the same as the one that's on Motorola.com. Okay, it's going to be 5G, of course. It's going to have a 50 megapixel camera, so it is going to have that, right? Now, the key difference from the one that you see on Motorola.com, right? So it's the Moto G. Let's just put that into perspective here. Moto G 5G. Moto G 5G. That's the name of the phone. All right. It's gonna have a 6.5-inch display screen, a 90 hertz display. All right, ultra wide screen. But there's two key differences on this particular phone that it's going to have. It's going to have a 64 gigabyte storage, all right, and then it's going to be able to go up to 1 terabyte of storage, and the RAM is also going to be lower as well, because the one on the website, I believe, is 256 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM, or 8. I'm not sure. Please correct me in the comments below. I know you are right now. You're typing. I know you're typing it. But oh yeah, guys, super chats are also available as well. Hit that, click that dollar sign, throw a dollar, show some love to Magic for sharing these nuggets of info with you. And you can become a member, the Ninja Squad. As you guys can probably see in the chat, you see people have different badges, and they have different colors or whatever. That means they are a member. So thank y'all for that. So 4 gigabytes of RAM for this edition of this phone. So the Moto G 5G for Metro by T-Mobile is going to be coming a little bit watered down, but not as much as we think. I think it's still going to be a good phone. I think it's still, hopefully the price. I don't know the price yet, guys. No pricing just yet. Sorry, guys. No pricing. I don't have no pricing. That's hard. That's very hard to predict. Very hard to have visions. My vision is fading, and I lost it. All right. We're going to have to move on to the next one. All right, guys, we're gonna have to move on to the next phone. All right, and the next phone, in my vision, I'm trying to picture it now. I'm trying to picture it now. I'm totally not scrolling in my email and looking at it. I'm totally not doing that, guys. I promise. I'm going into my brain and ooh, okay. I see it. I see it's coming. It's coming. Okay. So I believe you guys know that there's an A13 5G, right? So what guys, what do you think next phone is going to be? Yes, you got it right. If you thought of a Samsung, it is a Samsung. It is the A13, not 5G. It's the A13 4G, which is really really strange, guys. So the Samsung A13 4G will be replacing the Samsung A12 4G. But why? Why? I don't know, but I have some specs in, well, not no. I have a dream, and here's what I see in my dream. Here's what I see. The A13 only supports the T-Mobile LTE network. A13 has higher display resolution and better display protection. The A13 has a quad camera system, main, UW, depth, and macro, and the A13 only supports Google Pay. 5G capability? No. It's got a 6.6 full HD display. It's plus LED, Infinity V, 60 hertz, Gorilla Glass 5. Okay, it's got the knock security. It's got a 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 5 megapixel UW camera. It's got 32 gigabytes of ROM, and it's got 3 gigabytes of RAM. All right, it's expandable up to 1 terabyte. It's got the Exynos A50. It's got a battery capacity of 5,000 milliamps. And the colors it's going to come in is black, guys. So what do you think about that info, guys? I want you to process that info right now. Go ahead and leave in the comments down below and on the replay crew, hashtag replay crew. Go ahead, type in your comment there. Type in, hashtag leaked info or whatever, and then type in what you think about this. What you think about these two phones that I just shared with you guys. And also, guys, for the Samsung phone that I just showed you guys, the Samsung A13 4G, not 5G. It's weird. Why are they putting a 4G phone? They already got a 5G version of it. See, this is where it gets weird, right? This is where it gets strange. But anyways, let's go ahead and roll the commercial real quick.
It's 2022 and everyone and their mother is dealing with spam calls and spam text messages. So why not get a second phone number you can give out whenever you're signing up for services or paying a bill, so you don't have to deal with spam calls and spam text messages anymore? The solution is called Dingtone. Get a free real phone number that you can give out so you no longer get these spam calls and spam text messages. Download Dingtone for a real free phone number today, available on iOS and Android.
Alrighty, guys, I really appreciate the time and effort that you take to go ahead and go into my videos with these premieres and stuff like that. And I'm always gonna have my videos labeled. If you guys want to watch a short video, it's gonna be short video premiere. If you guys want to watch the MTR rides, it's always gonna have a picture of a bicycle or whatever, a moped, e-scooter or whatever. I don't want you guys to be confused on which video is what. All right, so I appreciate your time and I don't want to waste your time. So obviously, if you're coming here to look at some video about some phones or whatever, some technology, some leaks, it's going to be leak info. It's going to be review of these phones. So hopefully I'm pretty transparent with that. Hopefully I don't waste your time. Let me know in the comments down below if it's pretty clear, or sometimes it's kind of, you don't know what you're looking at. But from now on, if that does happen, I'm definitely going to make my best effort to do that. So I think I've been pretty good with that. But anyways, guys, thank you. That's pretty much the end of the video right there. If nobody has told you that you're amazing today, they're doing something wrong. You guys are amazing. You guys are wonderful. You guys are so cool. Um, the world is a better place with you than without you. Don't let anybody tell you different, guys. And let's roll that outro. Give up what you think, cause I got my eyes on you. Oh shit. Oh shit.